Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. So if you have been struggling with this issue, first, you need to check your Windows version. Simply navigate to File Explorer and right-click on this PC option and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. This will open up the System Properties window where you can find your Windows version. Here you can verify whether your system is running on a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows 7. Once you're done with that, open up a browser on your device and then search for Microsoft Update Catalog. After that, click on the first link from the search results. It'll then take you to this page. From here, you need to search for KB4534310. Once you're here, you need to download all the files compatible with your Windows system version. Once you're done downloading the files, install each file one by one onto your system. And then once you're done installing the files, then you need to reboot your system. First, close all the programs running on your system and then click on the Windows key on your keyboard. Then over here, click on Power, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Restart. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. Well, that's how you fix Roblox error your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.